James Cook was born on October 27, 1728, in Marton, England, to a humble farming family. At the age of 16, he left home to work as an apprentice for a shopkeeper in the coastal village of Staithes. It was there that Cook developed a fascination for the sea. In 1746, he moved to the nearby port town of Whitby, where he apprenticed under John Walker, a Quaker shipowner. Cook gained experience in coal-carrying ships called colliers, which honed his seamanship skills. By 1755, he joined the Royal Navy, quickly demonstrating exceptional talents in navigation and cartography. Contributions during the 7 Years' War. Cook's early naval career was marked by his service in the 7 Years' War, 1756 to 1763. He served aboard HMS Pembroke and took part in the Siege of Quebec in 1759. During this period, he produced highly accurate charts of the St. Lawrence River, which were instrumental in the British victory. His cartographic skills and attention to detail earned him recognition and set the foundation for his future explorations. The South Pacific and Australia. In 1768, Cook was chosen to lead an expedition aboard HMS Endeavour to observe the transit of Venus across the Sun from Tahiti, a mission crucial for astronomical calculations. After completing the observation, Cook explored the South Pacific, charting New Zealand's coastline and becoming the first European to map the eastern coast of Australia, claiming it for Britain under the name New South Wales. During this voyage, Cook encountered indigenous peoples, including the Maori in New Zealand and Aboriginal Australians. He documented their customs and cultures, contributing to the anthropological knowledge of the time. His meticulous mapping and exploration provided invaluable information for future navigators. Probing the Southern Hemisphere. Cook's second voyage aimed to search for the mythical southern continent, Terra Australis. Sailing aboard HMS Resolution and accompanied by HMS Adventure, Cook ventured farther south than any European before him. He circumnavigated Antarctica, demonstrating that the continent was encased in ice and dispelling myths about a habitable southern landmass. Cook also visited islands in the Pacific, including Tonga, Easter Island, and New Caledonia. He conducted extensive studies of local flora, fauna, and geography, while fostering peaceful relations with indigenous peoples. This voyage cemented Cook's reputation as one of the greatest explorers of his time. The search for the Northwest Passage. Cook's final voyage sought the elusive Northwest Passage, a sea route connecting the Atlantic and Pacific Oceans. Commanding HMS Resolution and HMS Discovery, Cook explored the west coast of North America, mapping Alaska and the Bering Strait. During this journey, he became the first European to set foot in the Hawaiian Islands, which he named the Sandwich Islands, in honor of his patron, the Earl of Sandwich. Cook established friendly relations with the Hawaiians initially but later faced tensions that led to his tragic death. On February 14, 1779, Cook was killed in a skirmish at Kealakekua Bay, Hawaii, after a dispute over a stolen boat escalated. His death marked the end of an extraordinary career but left behind a legacy of exploration and discovery. Cook's voyages greatly advanced scientific knowledge, particularly in geography, astronomy, and biology. He carried scientists like Joseph Banks, who catalogued thousands of plant and animal species. Cook also implemented revolutionary measures to combat scurvy, ensuring his crews remained healthy by including fresh fruits and vegetables in their diet. His detailed charts and maps set new standards for maritime navigation and were used well into the 20th century. Cook's ability to combine exploration with scientific research paved the way for future expeditions and greatly expanded European understanding of the Pacific and polar regions. James Cook is widely regarded as one of history's greatest explorers. Monuments, towns, and geographical features around the world, such as Cook Strait in New Zealand, commemorate his achievements. His journals continue to be studied for insights into 18th-century exploration and cultural encounters. Despite controversies surrounding the colonial impact of his discoveries, Cook's legacy as a skilled navigator, scientist, and leader remains unparalleled, securing his place as a pivotal figure in world history.